If you're an entrepreneur or an inventor, this is the message for you, because we'll be able to not only fund your idea, your new business, we can also provide you with strategic advice. So where do you go? Where do you get the funding? Where do you go to start your business, to grow your business? That's what we're going to discuss during this video. It was filmed specifically for entrepreneurs looking to start a business or grow their business. If you're an entrepreneur or an inventor who is seeking funding for his or her business, this is the message for you, because we can provide up to $80 million in funding for a project that will meet our criteria. You can call the number that will appear at the end of this video, and you would be eligible, if you have a great idea, to receive up to $80 million in funding. We're a group of entrepreneurs that set up a hotline for entrepreneurs who want to receive funding and strategic business advice, how to start or grow their business, specifically for entrepreneurs. So if you need funding or if you need business advice and you have a solid idea, not just an idea that popped into your head, but an idea that you transferred on paper. Literally, you sat down with a piece of paper and a pen and you wrote out your business plan and you have everything in place, we welcome you to call us to discuss both the funding and receiving strategic business advice.